Take your good vibes on the go with Couture's June 2023 Creative Kickstart Perks Pack. It will give you the creative kick you've been longing for. With plenty of products to pop around the house, like our drop-in box frame, house cutouts, and pallet sign, with coordinating transfers and paste singles, this pack also includes a special surface that you can show off out and about. Our brand new Creative Kickstart Totally Cute bundle is included with your Perks Pack purchase, and it comes with an adorable cotton tote, ink singles in black velvet and shimmer gold, and this amazing You Might As Well Shine transfer. It's a total deal. Now, when you snag this Perks Pack, you also unlock access to designer perks like 40% off retail pricing, membership in our amazing community of creators, and the opportunity to share and sell Couture products online at events, in workshops, and more. This incredible pack retails for over $300 US, $400 Canadian, but we're offering it at an incredible value, but only in June. So for more details on how to get yours, talk to your independent designer or visit couture.com today.